Did humans land on the moon? The moon landing conspiracy theories, suggesting that humans never landed on the moon, have been a topic of debate since the Apollo missions. However, scientific evidence robustly debunks these claims, affirming that humans indeed walked on the lunar surface. Let's take a look at some conspiracy claims and the evidence that disproves them. Firstly, the presence of over 382 kilograms of moon rocks collected during the Apollo missions serves as irrefutable evidence. These rocks, analyzed by scientists worldwide, have distinct geological features that could only originate from the moon. The isotopic compositions and ages of these rocks differ significantly from those on Earth, indicating their lunar origin. No technology existed in the 1960s or even now to fabricate such diverse and unique samples artificially. Secondly, the lunar laser ranging experiments initiated during the Apollo missions provide ongoing evidence of the moon landings. Reflectors placed on the lunar surface by Apollo astronauts enable scientists to measure the Earth-Moon distance precisely by bouncing laser beams off these reflectors. This experiment, conducted regularly since the Apollo missions, could not be possible if the reflectors were not physically placed on the moon. Moreover, numerous non-US missions have corroborated the Apollo landing site's authenticity. For example, imagery from lunar orbiters like Japan's Selene and India's Chandrayaan-1 has visually confirmed the presence of landing modules and tracks left by astronauts. These independent verifications by international space agencies further dispel any doubts about the moon landings. Additionally, the argument that the Van Allen radiation belts around Earth would have been lethal to astronauts ignores the fact that the Apollo missions were carefully planned to pass through the thinnest parts of these belts at high speeds, minimizing radiation exposure. The astronauts' health was monitored before, during, and after the missions, with no evidence of harmful radiation levels. Lastly, the global network of tracking stations that monitored the Apollo missions in real time, including those in non-US territories, recorded the mission's progress and communicated with the astronauts. This international participation makes the notion of a hoax implausible, as it would require the complicity of thousands of individuals across the globe. So did astronauts land on the moon? A multitude of scientific evidence confirms that humans did indeed land on the moon. From unique moon rocks and ongoing lunar laser ranging experiments, to corroborative imagery from international lunar missions and the careful navigation through the Van Allen belts, the claims of the moon landing being a hoax are scientifically unfounded. The Apollo moon landings remain one of humanity's most significant achievements, showcasing our capacity to explore beyond our planetary boundaries.